Hi, good day to all my lovely Sus Glass. Welcome once more to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing me, my name is Susie Glory. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber precisely based in Boya. Today, please join the wonderful family by hitting the red subscription button, thumbs up this video, like, share, and also comment. I'll be doing a product review for us today, a product that is going to help us with our acne, treat sunburn, help with hyperpigmentation, and a lot more of other issues. Oh yeah, I'll be talking about this amazing cream right here. Can you see this cream? It's called Silver Sulfadiazine. Sulfadiazine is an amazing cream. It's used for burns, and it has a typical function because it has antibacterial properties. That's why it's very, very good when you have burns, like hot water and other things. But now, come to think of it, when you have a sunburn, it's a burn as well, right? Because it's a reaction of the sun on your face, which gives you that reddish patch under your face. And also, acne are also stem up from bacterial infections. This cream right here is super effective to fight bacterial infections of the skin. And take note, it's topical. It's a topical cream, which means you can use it just on your skin. This cream is very, very effective to fight acne issues. Like, I just recently discovered that I was having like acne problems like last month, and I tried it and it worked perfect for me. Like, I was thinking it was just for burns, but when I used it and I discovered also when it comes to sunburn, sulfadiazine is very important. It has a soothing effect. Soothing effect means that it has a cooling effect, and you know, all burns have that sensation. They give you that sensation of heat. And when you use sulfadiazine on your face, when you have a sunburn, it gives you that soothing effect, and thereby deals with the red patches and gives you, now it brings back the like your complexion. It takes away the redness around your eye area, and thereby the dark under eye and red under eye that you are suffering from also disappears. So this cream is very, very essential and very potent when it comes to treating your sunburn issues. Now I would like to explain how potent this can be. A DIY you can do from sulfadiazine. When you have a sunburn, what you do is you're gonna take aloe vera. Aloe vera has cooling and soothing effects. Also, aloe vera has antibacterial properties to a certain extent. So what you do is you're going to take a teaspoon of sulfadiazine and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, natural 100% natural aloe vera gel. You put in a bowl, mix very well, and apply around your eye area, avoiding to get too close to your eye. Every day, please, it should be a single application. Don't apply twice a day. It should just be either in the night. So I advise you use the mixture in the night before you go to bed, so it gets to penetrate your skin better and works better all through the night. So you apply and let it stay there all night and rinse in the morning. Before you're getting to the fifth day or 7th day, you discover that the redness around your eye area is all gone. I also like to talk about sulfadiazine now because we are gearing towards the dry season. For those who are toning, I don't know, toning or lightening or brightening or whatever you may want to call it, it's not easy. There's going to be like people are going to be going through hell of a time now with the sun overhead in the tropics, especially in Cameroon where I am. I know that a lot of ladies are going to be suffering from sunburn. So try this. It's not that expensive. Guess you could get it at the price of 2,000, 2,500. It's very, very easy to find anywhere, in any pro pharmacy or in any big pharmacy. You could get it. Please don't apply this on children. Yes, anybody who is less than 5 years of age is not supposed to use this. And when you're using this cream, please always try to keep your things away from kids. Don't allow your medications or anything you're using to be beside kids, because it looks like toothpaste when you press. When a child takes it and it looks that whitish, the child might be tempted to maybe swallow it, or it's gonna cause a lot of problems. So keep it very far. Do you see how it is? It's whitish, very whitish, and it does coats the eye area very well and gives you that protection you need from the sun. So stay glued to this channel as I bring you guys a lot more. Use this to treat your sunburn and your acne. When it comes to acne, you could add vitamin C to this. You could take like half tablet of effervescent vitamin C, put in a glass of half glass of water, and add like a teaspoon of sulfadiazine tube cream into it. Mix very well and apply all over your face in the night. Especially allow it to sit on your face all through the night and rinse in the morning. You'll see amazing results. Vitamin C also has a potential to detoxify, and thereby is going to fight all the acne infections and all of that. So stay glued to this channel as I bring you guys a lot more health and beauty tips. Love you all so much.